Hi, I wanted to do a quick post. It's Friday afternoon, just coming up in 2 o'clock, um, about my workshop tomorrow. So I am doing workshop number 18, and I'll be doing a live Facebook from the workshop as well. But what I wanted to talk about today was I have got a lot of requests, particularly around the videos that I've been doing, and it's people saying, because my workshop is the 7 steps to success. It's called Accelerate Self-Leadership Development, the 7 steps to success. So a lot of people have been saying, what is success? How do I know when I've got success? How do I know when I've gained success? And my take on this is everybody has a different idea of what success is. So for example, a lot of people assume that success is money, success is happiness, success. We all have a different idea. But what I do know, I can almost guarantee what success is not. We think that creating success in life is all about money. It's all about fancy cars, expensive watches, that big ass house. And it's just not. That's not what success is. Those things are all really nice, and obviously they help when you've got money, make to I suppose be a bit happier. But that's not what success is for me. That's not what success is for me. The way that I look at it is we have to stop blaming the world for the things that we don't have, and we need to start focusing on the things that we do have, the things that we want and how to get them. And I believe that's the key to gaining success, because when you understand what you want in life, and you start to appreciate what you have in life, then you can start to, I suppose, refocus, what that is, what is success, why do I even want it. I have some clients, and they set goals, but they don't understand why they're setting them. They have a financial goal and they don't understand, what will happen if I achieve this goal. So I believe you need to attach a why to a set of goals, and that's, I suppose, there's a set of steps and a process that gets us from where we are now to where we want to be, and the gap in the middle is the how. So we need to know where we are now, and we need to know where we want to get to. So that's called the destination. The destination is the big goal or the big vision, or whatever you want to call it. And what my workshops do is they fill that gap in between, because we have a habit society, have a set of habits and routines where we believe that we're all born, we're born with natural talents, or we're born with natural gifts, or we were brought up in the wrong household, or we came from the wrong village, or we didn't go to university, and we use all these beliefs, limiting beliefs, for reasons why we cannot go through life and be successful. And for me, it's absolutely all bullshit. It's absolute nonsense, because I believe, and I have lived and experienced, and I have coached people all over the world, that success lies in one place and one place only. It lies in the mindset. If you think you can, or if you think you can't, you're absolutely bloody right. Hey Chris Gibson, how you doing? Anybody who knows me, I'm just a normal guy who was born and bred in North Lanarkshire with very limiting beliefs, and I never ever ever accepted the status quo. I kept pushing and always wanted a better life. I always knew that if I worked hard and I kept trying and I focused on what I wanted in life and not what I didn't want, that eventually I would get it. And that's what my workshops are all about. They help. I built them originally for small business owners, to help them get to another point in their business, to help them grow. And what I found is I got a lot of sales directors, I got a lot of students, coming up to the end of their degrees, and they're kind of lost, they don't know where they're going. And it really helps to refocus where you want to be in life and how you want to get there. Because that's there's a lot of buzz going about right now about mental health and mental health issues, and I have a big belief that when we don't know where we're going in life, and when we don't have something to focus on in life, that's when we really start to play those mind games. That's when we really start to play those tricks on ourselves, and we start to believe something that's completely not true, but we believe it inherently that that's who we are. And I don't think life should be like that. And I think it's all about making a decision. See, once you decide to change, and just that you decide to focus on what you want and not what you don't want in life, everything changes for you. You know, for me, it's about stop making excuses for how your life's turned out. You know, there's always alternatives, but you just can't see them for looking at the negatives. And you get to change that. You know, see the road to success in anything. You know, if success is happiness, if success is money, whatever success is to you, the road to success can be hard, but it's not impossible. You know, it's the ability to have that unlimited mindset, and to have a mindset to achieve performance in your life. And attending the workshops gives you that option. It teaches you how. So it fills in those gaps. So if I can help anybody, you know, refocus, you know, if you're going through a hard time in your life and you just don't know how to get from where you are now to where you want to be, drop me a PM, you know, send me a message, click on one of my links, get yourself on one of my workshops. They are absolutely game changing. If anybody on Facebook is on LinkedIn, you will see all my testimonials. In actual fact, if you go to my business Facebook page, you'll see the testimonials on there. It is absolutely life-changing stuff. Hey Rosie, I see you there. Rosie's been to one of my workshops. Rosie absolutely loved it. How was it for you, Rosie? I'm assuming you really enjoyed it because you left me a brilliant, some brilliant comments. So anyway, I'm going to wrap up quickly. But you know, if you want more from life, you need to focus on what you want, not what you don't want. So my question to you is, what are you going to do now? Are you going to continue to go through life, or are you going to make changes and do something different? Because that is your choice and your choice alone. For me, it's time for change. Now, I have a workshop. So anybody watching or listening to this later, I have a workshop in Edinburgh at the Dalmahoy Golf and Country Club. It starts at 8:30 tomorrow morning and it finishes at 4:30, and that's your breakfast and your lunch included. If you haven't signed up, I've still got 3 seats left. Send me a PM and get your arse on it, and let's make some changes, because it's all about you. Where you are now to where you want to be, I'll help you fill that gap. So thank you so much for listening. This is my Friday post, and hey Gemma, I see you there. Hey Tony, I see you's on the. Thanks for listening. And if you know anybody based in Edinburgh, who business owners, you know, people struggling through with their career, you know, just lost, feeling lost, get them to drop me a PM. I've still got a few fully funded spaces, so it doesn't even cost you anything. If you earn under £22,000 a year, which by the way is a hell of a lot of business owners and people out there, if you earn under 22 grand a year, it's absolutely free. It won't cost you a penny to come along. Worst thing, you get to meet loads of interesting people, you get to hear me talk for the next 8 hours, and you get a wonderful lunch at the Dalmahoy Golf and Country Club. So please feel free to drop me a message, and I'll do whatever I can to get you on board. So have a wonderful day, have a wonderful evening, and have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you all later. Thank you. Bye.